Dive straight into the mind-boggling world of SEO. Visualize it as a colossal puzzle, each tiny piece depicting a unique facet of your website. If even a single piece misaligns, the entire puzzle can topple over. The solution to Enigma? A technical SEO checklist. It stands as your compass to ensure your website is optimized and visible. Now let's imagine our technical SEO checklist as a blueprint, a guide to solve this vast SEO puzzle. A blueprint, by definition, is a detailed plan or guide. Similarly, a technical SEO checklist is your plan for success in the digital world. It includes optimizing your website speed for rapid access, mobile optimization for a world that's always on the go, and structured data to help search engines understand your content better. Just like a blueprint helps in constructing a sturdy building, a technical SEO checklist helps in building a robust SEO strategy. But what if you had architects to help you with the blueprint? That's where Authority Solutions steps in. As experts in SEO, they help you implement the technical SEO checklist, ensuring your website is in prime shape. Authority Solutions, turning your SEO puzzle into a masterpiece. So, ready to solve the SEO puzzle with Authority Solutions? Remember, a technical SEO checklist is crucial. Authority Solutions is here to guide you, making your SEO journey seamless. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more SEO insights.